Okay, you guys, it's starting to get a little overgrown in this area where I have my bell peppers growing. And I have tomato plants in here and cucumbers that have just taken over the bed. And the basil is really bushed out. I need to harvest and trim down these basil plants. And I'll show y'all later what I'm going to do with preserving and storing these basil to use with cooking. But I gotta help my peppers out here so they can get more sunlight. Get them to grow more. I think I'm gonna take this tomato plant out and plant me some more bell peppers in this area. And look at this cucumber plant. It's just continuing to grow cucumbers. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Got some down there. Need to harvest. And a lot of these leaves need to be cut off because they done turning yellow and got the little spots on them. And I'm gonna get busy here condensing this little area out some more where my bell peppers can have a chance to grow a little bit better. Look over here, my okra that I planted here in this pot, and I replanted some of my old okra and trimmed them down, and look, they're starting to grow some more okra already. Okay, I had to cut down those tall stems that was growing up real high and started over, and they're starting to bloom out some more okra for me. Can't wait to see these in this pot come on up and grow. Oh, I have basil everywhere. Ooh, look how tall it's getting. Yeah, I gotta harvest that and cut it down. Habanero peppers coming in. Look at my beautiful eggplants. Got a lot of blooms on them. Come on, eggplant. Come on and grow. Look at you. Looking so pretty. Beautiful flowers. Over here, my asparagus is coming up. Look at the little ferns growing up. Okay, asparagus. Come on. Look at here. The beautiful zinnia flower growing there. Come on, my orange tree. Little apple tree. The birds came over here and ate up all the leaves. I'm just hoping you'll come on back here and bloom out some more of the beautiful leaves that you had when I bought you. Just a little stick now. Come on. Continue to grow. Okay, over here I planted some more of the squash. And they're trying to come back up. And I have my beans and my cucumbers that I replanted. They're coming up good. Like I need to put some more of the green beans in the middle I have more of the yellow wax beans that have germinated real fast, and the cucumbers that are going around the sides here, they're coming up. But in the middle part, supposed to be green beans, and I only see a few of them that germinated. I may have to put some more green bean seeds in there. Pineapples getting big. I'm waiting for them to get real yellow before I harvest them. They're looking beautiful. Looking beautiful, pineapple. And look down here. Got some marigolds growing. Finally. Okay, marigolds. It's getting back wild over here in Tomato Alley. We gotta get in here and trim this back some more. Let's see if I can get any more of the tomatoes to grow. I see some more blooms coming up. Okay. Look at you way up there. Y'all looking nice. Okay. Look at my lemon tree. Got one lemon there. And got some more blooms coming out. Come on, lemon tree. Grow me some more lemons. Look at my ginger. And my turmeric over here. Got more of the ginger popping up right now. Yeah, come on and grow for me. Ginger and turmeric over in this area. Look at my collard greens. They hanging in here. Yeah, glad I got this shade cloth over them. Oh, that sun would have burned them out. Come on, collard greens. Grow those big leaves for us so we can harvest some collard greens soon in the fall. Okay, I'm gonna work on trimming this area back, this wild grown area. Help my bell peppers to be able to grow a little better over here. They're getting shaded out by their companion plants over here from the sun. Oh, this basil really grew big. Okay. Let me get busy. Okay, bell pepper, I'm getting ready to help you. Bell pepper, I'm getting ready to help you. Keep going. Basil, I'm getting ready to harvest you. Okay, I had to pull up this Creole tomato. I'm gonna see if I can reroot it, trim it down, and reroot it and see if I can still get any more tomatoes to grow from it. But I had to get it out of this area. It was blocking out my bell peppers that I need to get to grow a little better here. Let me get busy. I'm gonna add some more bell peppers in this area and trim down this cucumber, plant a little bit more, and this basil. Give my bell peppers more sunlight. You glad that tomato plant gone? Look at you blowing in the wind. It was taking up your space. Look at all this beautiful basil I just harvested. Now I'm getting ready to go in and try to store them. I found a way to add some olive oil in it and put them in some containers and freeze them and use them when you pull them out when you're ready to add them to any of your spaghetti sauce or any other meals you're trying to cook that you like to put basil in. It smells so good.